It's okay, babe. Alright, guys, this one here. This is like a mud hatters. I think it's really hot. So after this, I'm gonna wash my hand really good. Otherwise, don't rub it in your eyes. Anyway, super red. And if you just turn like this, reddish green, you can remove them as well. That's good. There's more. Hi.
I don't need it.
And more here. Oh, super red. I wish this is really capsicum though. Maybe one day I can grow the capsicum so much like this, like super prolific. But I'm not gonna kill them because I like them. It's just decoration. And this one probably I spread it somewhere as well. So whoever wants super hot chili here can have it for free. Jungle after a week of raining, guys. Like super jungle. Not super jungle like really in the jungle, but it is compared to you mow every once a week. But now it's okay. Sweetheart and I just licking the yard again to mow. Like everybody mowing now after the rain stopped. Yesterday and today the rain stopped, which is cool. Thank you, Lord. Now, and all these okras, I'm gonna put this one here. It's okay. I'm going to um, harvest it now, and then it will mature later. So I can gather more seeds for these babies. Oh. So the more you harvest it, the more they give you babies, but then you can go like them. You can see like this one is good, really nice young and tender. See, that's kind of thing. This one you can't anymore because it's really mature. This one, so yeah. Oh, I make sure I don't hurt them because I need to dry them, get the seeds out from it. This one I really, oh, this is still good, I think. Yeah, I can still make these beaches. See, yeah, I got more there. Holy, oh, it's too hard, too strong. There you go. Thank you.